Minu's feeding her second baby here. We can't see very well the baby. It's covered by her head. But she's regurgitating to the baby's mouth. Oh, bad angle. Oh, you see the baby's leg? Right beside the egg. See that? Minu, move! Sorry, Minu. You need to record everything you do. It's a documentary. Oh, see the baby? Minu, you're squishing them. Oh, that's it. Show's over. Okay. Goodbye. Minu, you have something stuck on your beak. Yuck. It's pretty messy when you feed them, huh? Okay, Minu, I won't spy on you anymore. Okay, I'll turn off the camera. Oh. Minu, move! I want to see your baby. Ah, oh, there they are. Two babies. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, they've grown so much. Oh my god. Minu, it's so cute. They look like you. Oh, the one on the left has grown a lot. Is that normal? Its bottom is so big, Minu. Am I blinding them with the light? Oh, this is so cute. Uh-oh, Minu. Go take care of them. Okay. Eee, don't sit on them. Alright, this is the real end. Minu, say bye. You're the star of the week. Bye, Minu.